Hi and welcome to a FortiAppSec Cloud video on compliance best practices. FortiAppSec Cloud helps ensure compliance with data protection regulations by offering features like secure data handling, access control, and audit logging, supporting your operational needs. The following list highlights widely recognized regulations, but is not exhaustive of all data protection and privacy laws that may apply. The General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, is an EU regulation that governs the processing of personal data of individuals in the European Economic Area to protect data privacy. While there is no single, universally recognized GDPR certificate, organizations that handle personal data of EU residents can undergo third-party audits to verify compliance. FortiAppSec Cloud supports GDPR compliance by enabling secure data transfer and ensuring that data belonging to EU residents remains within EU-based data centers. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, also known as HIPAA, is a U.S. regulation that protects personal health information, or PHI, by enforcing strict security and privacy standards. While there is no official HIPAA certification, companies handling PHI can undergo third-party audits to verify compliance. Please note, different countries may have specific regulations that apply. It is important to stay informed and up to date on the regulations relevant to your regions of operation and configure your settings accordingly. For assistance, please contact our support team. FortiAppSec Cloud can assist with regulatory compliance through logging and auditing, secure data processing through WAF, data protection through advanced bot protection, and data region through GSLB. Maintaining traffic logs and server access logs is crucial for audit trails and compliance with data access and processing requirements. GDPR Article 30 requires audit logs to ensure proper handling of personally identifiable information, and Article 33 requires breach logs to identify when and how breaches occurred. FortiAppSec Cloud supports regulatory compliance, providing robust audit and logging capabilities. By logging every administrative action and configuration change, and securely retains all audit logs for future review and accountability. These logs help demonstrate operational transparency and support forensic analysis if needed. To view logs, go to General Audit Logs. To configure scheduled audit log email reports, go to General Notification and under Audit Log Notification, click Create. Select a category of events from the drop-down list, or use the notification conditions to filter for the kind of logs to receive notifications for. The Web Application Firewall's features help ensure compliance with regulatory frameworks concerning technical measures for securing data processing by preventing attacks, securing access, logging events, and ensuring real-time monitoring. The WAF and Threat Analytics services are also SOC 2 compliant. GDPR Articles 25 and 32 outline the need for data to be protection by default and for organizational structures to be designed with an appropriate level of data protection from the outset. FortiAppSec Cloud's WAF service is SOC 2 compliant, indicating that it has met rigorous standards for security, availability, and confidentiality. To further strengthen your application's data protection posture, enable WAF modules such as data loss prevention, machine learning-based threat detection, security rules, file protection, and information leakage prevention. Advanced Bot Protection supports regulatory compliance by helping you demonstrate appropriate technical measures for securing personal data. GDPR Articles 5 and 32 outline requirements for processing data in an appropriately secure manner. Enable Advanced Bot Protection to demonstrate appropriate technical measures under GDPR by reducing the risk of unauthorized processing and enabling timely detection, reporting, and response to security incidents. During onboarding, make sure to configure all critical entry points. Examples of entry points include login, checkout, any payment pages, and any other pages where users submit sensitive information or where bots are likely to attempt malicious activity. Data region regulations dictate restrictions on where data must be stored and processed, or the requirements associated with moving data between regions. GDPR Articles 44 to 50 restricts the transfer of personal data outside the EU to countries with an adequacy decision, or to those with appropriate safeguards in place, such as standard contractual clause, binding corporate rules, or other measures like approved codes of conduct or certifications. To ensure compliance with legal data boundaries, limit the geographic areas to which sensitive data is routed. For example, traffic from the EU should only be routed to servers in countries that have received GDPR adequacy decisions. You can achieve this by using regional data centers and geolocation-based routing. To deploy regional data centers, go to Virtual Server Data Center. Click Add Data Center, and set the region to a location that complies with your applicable data protection regulations. Repeat this process until you have covered all desired regions of operation. Thank you for watching.